Susan, good to see you.
Hey Rachel, good to see you.
Thanks.
Hi there.
Thanks for hosting me in Delray Beach. I'm excited to explore with you.
Absolutely.
This is one of my favorite towns. I think, you know, in Florida, I did a road trip all around Florida last year, as many of you know, and I think Delray was one of the most memorable. It unfortunately rained the one day I was here, and I know you have sun all year long. I wound up with a little rain that day, so I came back to explore more. So I'm excited to see what's going on. So I just arrived at my room in Delray Beach at the Aloft Hotel near downtown Delray Beach. It's a beautiful property, very conveniently located to everything within walking distance. It also has a fun, hip vibe. So it's not the old stuffy hotels that everyone's used to. It's just cool. It's great for travelers, it's great for business people, and it's perfect for that millennial or younger traveler, or just anybody, honestly. Anyone who wants to have fun and explore the town. But check out this room. The Aloft Delray Beach is the brightest and hippest addition to downtown Delray Beach. The new hotel blends sleek design, modern style, and technology for the savvy traveler and is part of the Sofa District, a mixed-use hub exemplifying urban luxury. The hotel offers guests an ideal location to white sandy beaches, art venues, restaurants, local shopping, and a short drive to Boca Raton.
Hey there, I'm Susan Risden. I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty here in Delray Beach. Delray Beach is probably the prettiest city that I've ever lived. It's kind of like paradise. I mean, here we are on the Intercoastal where, you know, boats go by, the homes are beautiful. Delray is really happening right now. The real estate market is booming. There's so many people coming down from the Northeast because who wouldn't want to live in paradise? I mean, it's pretty much 80, 85 degrees every day and gorgeous. We don't have to deal with snow or anything. And then we're also a few blocks from Atlantic Avenue, which is probably one of the most social places that I've been to. The restaurants are fantastic. There's a lot of live music. You can just walk right to the beach. So they call Delray Beach the quaint little beach town in the middle of Palm Beach County. The beach is gorgeous, the water is pristine, and we're gonna go explore. I get to come to work here every day, right? Did we not have fun?
We get to have a blast here every day.
For some of the freshest seafood, check out Lionfish. Delray is very LGBT friendly. The city just unveiled its brand new rainbow crosswalk right in the center of town. And the waters in Delray Beach are some of the deepest turquoise blue waters I've ever seen. They're truly magical.